business intelligence. So business intelligence is used to analyze the data which is available in an organization. The data consists of business data. So it tells about the business happened in an organization, about the type of business, about the customers, about the products, about everything that the organization deals with. Here, in this business intelligence, we are going to analyze the data of an organization and we will bring those data into an attractive dashboard. So benefits of business intelligence is understanding the customers better, drive performance and revenue, improve operational efficiency, provide personalized service more easily, identify sales trends, you can grade leads. So this will give additional benefits to our business. We can able to understand where the business lags and where the business leads, and corresponding actions can be taken to improve the business. So data source. So normally we will be dealing with several data sources. In our business intelligence tool, it can able to get data from different data sources. Most popularly we will use SQL Server, Oracle, Azure database, Excel, Hadoop, Teradata, JSON, XML, etc. So mostly used data sources are these data sources. From these data sources we can able to get the data and we can work in our tool to produce attractive dashboards about our business. So the data will be like this. It is a Excel data. So normally a normal person cannot understand what the data tells. So it will be numbers or it will be characters. It will be a table consisting of different columns. Each column will be giving some information about something. So normal people cannot understand the data more clearly. This is a CSV file, comma separated values. A normal people could not understand what is them. What we will do is we will bring this kind of data into our tool and we will work on them. So it is difficult for a normal common man to understand. So what we will do is we will analyze this with the attractive dashboards, attractive visuals. So this visual will give a smart representation about our data, so which can be able to understand by a common people. A normal layman can able to understand what the data is. So for that we are going to analyze this in a business intelligence tool. So here we are going to do that operation with Power BI. Power BI is a very powerful tool. Using this tool we can able to analyze the data and we can able to create interactive dashboards which will be normally it will be understandable by a common people. So top 10 key benefits of Power BI. So first one is superior accessibility. Second one is embeddable attributes. Third, rich features. Fourth, drag and drop functionality. Fifth, powerful connectivity. Sixth, meaningful reports. Seventh, continuous updates. Eighth, data refresh. Ninth, no upfront cost. And 10th, uncover actionable insights. So features of Power BI. So in this Power BI, we are having several features. Among those features, top features are question and answer, question box. Whenever I question my Power BI about my data, it will display the dashboard automatically. Navigation pane. So here using this navigation pane, I can able to switch over from one location to another location where my data points me. DAX analysis function. DAX is it is used to analyze our data using formulas. using codings. With that, I can able to analyze the data and I can bring some output with that. Help and feedback buttons. This help and feedback buttons are used to get more help from the Power BI area. Customizable dashboard. So the dashboards created here will be a customized one. And interactive report authoring. So reports will be interactive here. So this is the architecture of Power BI. So in this architecture, so data are taken from data sources. It can be any data sources. Power BI can able to handle what are all the data sources used in the globe. So it can able to handle most of the data sources. So data can be taken from those data sources and it will be loaded into the Power BI desktop. So the Power BI desktop is used to get the data from the data source. Using this Power BI desktop, we will analyze the data. We can able to edit the data. We can able to modify the data. We can able to transform the data, and after that we will design the attractive dashboards using those data. Attractive visuals are created and it is formed as a dashboard, and that dashboard is given to the Power BI service. So the output of Power BI desktop will be given to Power BI service as well as Power BI report server. So Power BI service and Power BI report server are same, where Power BI service, in Power BI service I will be putting my dashboards, my created visualizations in the cloud. So that security will be limited, where if my data belongs to a very confidential data, so I will put the data in Power BI report server. It is a very confidential area. So here the security is more in Power BI report server than Power BI service. So the confidential data will be represented with Power BI report server, where only the authorized person can able to see the data. And Power BI service is also having some security, so it will also give a good security for my data. So the attractive designed dashboards will be displayed using Power BI service as well as Power BI report service. So in this Power BI service, I can also able to edit my data and I can do several operations. What I have similar to what I have done in Power BI desktop. After that, this data will be delivered to the end user. End user may be a boss of an organization, manager, or a common people who want to see what is the data about. So I can able to see the data in my desktop or laptop or in a mobile phone. All those view operations are available in my Power BI. So this is about the architecture of Power BI. So the content what we are going to cover is visualization, custom visualization. Next, get data, getting the data from different sources. Next, data sets. So we will be analyzing the data sets. Power Query Editor. So this Power Query Editor is used to transform the data. It is used to edit the data which is taken from source. Dashboards. So we will be discussing about the dashboards. Filters and slices. Filters and slices are mainly used to filter some data among huge data. This filter and slices are used to get the required information from the huge data. Conditional formatting. It is used to produce my data in an attractive manner. Reports. Ad hoc reporting. So reports is used to report the data. Trend indicators. Online analytical processing. Navigation pane is used to navigate my location from one sheet to another sheet, one location, one data place to another data place. Natural language question and answer box, which will produce the output according to my question with the visual. DAX functions and formula. DAX is a detailed analysis expression. Using this, I can write a coding and I can analyze my data using a formula. Power BI service, where I will finally, after I have created the Power BI visualizations, I will put my visualization into the Power BI service, where it can be from Power BI service, it can be shared to the end user. So after the knowledge what we have gained under the contents, we can able to design a desktop Power BI. Using the Power BI desktop, we can able to design a dashboard like this, which will be attractive. Using a simple click, I can able to see different output more clearly. Those datas which are having zeros and ones or some numerical data, character data are converted into attractive dashboard like this. This is another one example. So according to a single click, according to the information what I need to see in my dashboard, I can able to see that, which will gives me a more understandable way of my data. The normal data which is available in the Excel or CSV is converted into a visual like this. This is another example which shows some information about the person. So next topic which is to be covered is Power BI introduction. So we will be dealing with the Power BI desktop. Thank you.